हो हो रेकॉर्डिंग चालू केलं आताच मी. थँक्यू मला सांगितल्याबद्दल. मी नाहीतर विसरलो होतो. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Yes.
Another thing, another side effect has come. It has affected my brain also. Okay. I forget many things. So it has definitely gone here up to last point. And that is what I am treating now. I will be out of that, definitely, yes. So then the anosmia was very severe, and then I lost my taste in eating. I never felt like eating afterwards. जरा थोड़ा सा खाना आ गया, चलो खा लिया बस. But it was of no use. Means it was not very good. That feeling of hunger was not there. But I slept well. There was no weakness. There was no any other problem. Then the municipality doctor telephoned me and she asked me to test HRCT, that is high resolution computerized tomography, which I and found the lens parenchyma was absolutely all right. What a pleasure, man. What a pleasure. There was no pneumonia. And that was really great. So acupuncture was definitely helping me for this not going forward. Corona not going forward. I continued with the treatment. Okay. Then 4, 5, 6 days gone, 8 days gone. Then I was quarantined. Quarantine means I went to my son-in-law's house. He was also affected with corona, and my daughter was also affected with corona. But daughter got cured. But my son-in-law was there. So both of us remained in one flat with 2 different toilets, and we were saved for going outside anywhere. Okay. So then my health started improving slowly. But my nausea was becoming severe and severe. Very bad nausea. So as soon as I could see the food, no, I don't want to eat. Then what I did my tongue diagnosis. See, from here, the acupuncture starts. The real acupuncture. By that time, my immunity must have gone up. But the real acupuncture. What was that real thing? I checked my tongue, and on the back side of the tongue, on both sides, the color had become slate-like. Color had become like a slate. That means there was too much heat inside my liver and kidneys. That has burnt my liver and kidney, some of the cells. See, here, even if we test the liver function and kidney function, that will show normal. Okay, now I will mute all because some child is talking. Okay, I have muted everybody now. Admit all. So, nausea was too much. So, liver and kidney. So, what I did, since there is too much of heat, the heat is causing my tongue to become black or slate-like at the back of the tongue. As soon as I put liver 2, kidney 3 and 2, RAN 12 on the stomach, ST21, ST25. Next day morning, the nausea had reduced by 90%. Again, I repeated the treatment. And within 4 days, my nausea went 99.5%. Little bit was still remaining there. Because it is not a simple disease. It is a horrible disease and nobody should get it. Because so much anxiety comes. You are in quarantine, you feel like crying. There is no friends, there is nobody. So I used to feed crows and sparrows. They had become my friends. Okay. So then on the 14th of this month, my quarantine days were finished. Then I came home. Yesterday morning I came home, and home sweet home. And then I prepared this special program for you. So I want to show you what Chinese have done and what they have to say, and how we also think similarly. Chinese are specialists, no doubt, but our logic now also has developed so nicely that we can also do that. So now let us do some screen sharing, and we'll go to very powerful PowerPoint program which I'm going to give you. Okay, so let us go to PowerPoint and share. Let me take this down. Okay, so this is, let me stop all the videos here. Sangeeta Joshi video should be stopped. Dr. Joan video should be stopped. Okay, see here. It has been included. Now I'm going to read so many things. This is directly, I have taken it from the internet, but it matches with our thinking only. Sangeeta Joshi, you please remove your video. I will remove otherwise. Huh? It is troubling me. Dr. Joan and Sangeeta Joshi. Okay. So let us see this now. It has been included in the infectious. See, new word you have to learn, pestilential. साथी से रोग जो एक से दूसरे तक जाता है. जूही बनकर, please stop your video. Otherwise, I will remove you. Diseases of class B prescribed in the law of People's Republic of China on prevention and treatment of infectious diseases and is managed according to class A infectious disease. Okay. So acupuncture treatments for corona COVID-19 during and afterwards. An important part of traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture moxibustion has its own distinctive characteristics and unique advantages and has made important contributions in the history of anti-epidemics in China. Sun Si Miao, he was a great doctor in Tang Dynasty, put forward in his book Biji Qianjin Yao Fang, prescription worth 1,000 in gold for every emergency. Those who travel to infectious disease areas often need moxibustion and form purulent moxibustion. Means what? Means when you give moxibustion, there should be a boil, and that boil should start decreasing by removing the pus. It should continuously go on leaking. That is the correct moxibustion. So they will not be affected by malaria and warm malaria and infectious diseases like this. In Compendium of Materia Medica, this is a book, Li Shizhen, the great doctor, the physician in Ming Dynasty, elaborated, Archmacia argi, moxibustion can smooth meridian patency. Patency means obstructions, cure hundreds of diseases, and cure people who suffer from long-term illness. These two books both record that acupuncture can prevent and treat infectious diseases. Zui Bankar, please remove your video. It is coming in between. Otherwise, I will have to remove you, please. Guidelines on acupuncture and moxibustion intervention for COVID-19, second edition, for medical workers in acupuncture, implementation and guidance of patients at home. what the patients at home should do. Now you see this is a uh, HRCT of high resolution computerized tomography of lungs. So here you can see the ground glass appearance. This is called ground glass appearance. On the left lung, it is a right lung. See how the lungs have become. Very fine alveoli have infected with this corona and a lot of liquid has come inside. Here also it is there. Okay. So let us go to, what is that? Ground glass. Ground glass pattern is the most common finding in COVID-19 infections. They are usually multifocal, means so many are there, and bilateral and peripheral. But in the early phase of the disease, the ground glass opacity may present as a unifocal lesion. Lesion means jakham or something wrong. Most commonly located in the inferior lobe of the right lung. So generally it starts from the inferior side. So CT images, that is computerized tomography images of young male who had fever for 10 days with progressive coughing and shortness of breath. Saturation at admission was only 67%, 66%. So the PCR test was positive for COVID-19. Okay. So that is the thing. Now, how corona goes in? The epidemic came into human body through mouth, nose, and most of them invade the lungs first. Please remember this now. Lungs first, then spleen. That's why nausea, indigestion, stomach, and large intestine, that is diarrhea, etc. And the lesions were relatively mild. Initially, it is mild. A small proportion of them pass into pericardium, liver, and kidney and become critically ill. That is what has happened with me, but it was very mild. So I am saved with homeopathy and acupuncture. So smashing the nidus. Nidus means the focus of infection. Acupuncture will stimulate the acupoints on the limbs through the meridian, internal viscera, and outer collateral branches and directly smash the focus of infection to stimulate the strengthen the viscera and its chi so that the invading evil epidemics can be separated and expelled. So the epidemics can be separated and expelled out. Acupuncture is also to stimulate the chi while improving self-protection of viscera and to reduce the damage of organs caused by epidemic. The choice of acupoints. The choice of acupoints and methods draws on the evidence from the ancient literatures, modern clinical and basic researches, and incorporates acupuncture research results shown in previous studies of improving lung function. See the treatment, lung function, regulating innate immunity, anti-inflammatory and pro-inflammatory factors, activating the vagal cholinergic anti-inflammatory pathway. Means what? It regulates the innate immune response to injury. Injury means whatever corona has done inside, that is injury. And regulating the respiratory system, most important. And overcoming the damage of lung inflammation. Now, the treatment is in 3 stages. That is the suspected patients, then the actual patients and the recovering patients. So let us see what happens. Objective to stimulate the vital chi and the functions of lung and spleen and to dispel, separate and remove the pathogens of pestilence, means the rogai, means the diseases which come to somebody, to enhance the defense of viscera against the pathogens of patients. Okay, let us see the main points now. The main points for suspected patients. Now the real thing starts, our treatment part. Feng means wind. So to remove the wind, bladder 12, it's the point on the back. Fishu, bladder 13. Fishu is the point of lungs. Bakshu point, 1.5 kun away from the lower border of the third thoracic vertebra. Pishu, bladder 20, that is the Bakshu point of spleen. Hagu, Li4, you know where it is. Hagu is here. Chuchi is here. Chitse is here. Okay, UG, Lu10 is here. Chi high, CV6 is below the navel. ST36, you know where it is. Zuzanli, Saninjia on the foot. For each time, select 1 or 2 points in each group of acupoints. Now this is first group. Okay. The other points for the first group, symptoms combined with fever, dry throat, dry cough. Select with, match means select with DU14, that is at the back. Tian2 CV22 is here. Kong Zui Lu6 is on the hand here, 5 kun below. Symptoms combined with nausea and vomiting, loose stools, tongue, fat coating, greasy, soft pulse. Match with zone 1, CV12, that is 4 kun above the umbilicus in the center line. Tianshu is 2 kun lateral to the umbilicus, and Fenlong is on the foot. Symptoms combined with fatigue, weak and inappetence. New word for you, lack of appetite. That is what there with me. Match with or treat with CV12, 4 kun above the umbilicus on the center line. The 4 points around the umbilicus, very good. One each side from the umbilicus. Just like you put extra 6. Pishu, bladder 20 is the spleen point. Symptoms combined with clear runny nose, soreness on shoulder and back, tongue pale coating white, slow pulse, match with bladder 10, bladder 12 and GB14. So let us see the second part now. Confirmed patients. That means we now know that their corona test is positive. What treatment you will give? You see, the main points are Hagu Li4, Taichung liver 3, Tian2 CV22, Chitsa Lu5 here, Kong Zui Lu6, Zuzan Li on the foot ST36, Sanin Jiao SP6 on the medial side, above the medial malleolus, 3 kun above. Bladder 11, 1.5 kun away from the first thoracic vertebra. Feng Meng, bladder 12, second vertebra. Fishu, third vertebra. Zinshu, fifth vertebra. Geishu, bladder 17, seventh vertebra. And Lu1 on the chest here. Danzong, CV17 on the chest center. Chi high, CV6 just below the umbilicus. CV4, P4 kun down to the umbilicus. And CV12, 4 kun above the umbilicus on the midline. Okay. So these are the points for confirmed patients. Now let us see what it gives us. Matching points. See fingertip bloodletting, symptoms combined with and also ear tip. Let me take this down somewhere. Symptoms combined with long-term fever, match with DU14, Li11, ear tip and fingertip bloodletting. Symptoms combined with chest tightness, shortness of breath, match with or treat with PC6, Lu7, Juku CV14 up, Chimen liver 14, Cao Hai K6. Symptoms combined with coughing up phlegm, Lu7, ST40, extra B1. This is a different point. Ding Chuan, it is on the side of DU14. ST25, ST37. Symptoms combined with coughing up sticky and yellow phlegm. Constipation, match with Tian2, CV22, TW6, ST25 on the stomach, Fenlong ST40 on the foot. Okay, vomiting, loose stools, tongue pale or pale rose with white greasy coating, match with Fishu, bladder 13, ST25, SP14, and Naiguan, PC6. Acupuncture and moxibustion intervention during the convalescence stage. Convalescence means healing. Okay, let me take this down. Combined with long-term fever, this is finished. No, so I have to go further. Acupuncture and moxibustion intervention during convalescence means healing period. That is where I am now. Okay. Although I am in quarantine is finished, still healing is continuously taking place. To remove residual virus, definitely it is there. It has not gone completely out. It is residual, but restores vitality to repair functions of viscera such as lung and spleen. Main points: PC6, Zhuzhanli ST36, Zhongwan C12, Tianshu ST25, and Qi Hai CV6. So CV6 will always energize you. Okay. Now for deficiency of Qi of lung and spleen, symptoms as how will you come to know it is deficiency? Shortness of breath, fatigue, poor appetite and vomiting, stomach distension, बड़ा हो जाना, lack of force for defecation, तकलीफ होना, loose stools, tongue slightly fat with white greasy coating. Now you can see here, my tongue is in the middle, it is slightly white coating is there. For those with obvious symptoms such as chest tightness, shortness of breath, treat with CV17, Fishu bladder 13, LU1. For those with obvious spleen and stomach symptoms such as indigestion and diarrhea, treat with Shangwan, CV13, Yinling1, SP9. Okay. Now still 10 minutes are there. After this, we will be doing the same thing with the same link which I have given you. Okay, not now, still 10 minutes are there. But if we don't finish it, please come back with the same link. So let us see deficiency of Qi and Yin. Symptoms as weakness, dry mouth, thirst, palpitations, excessive sweating, poor appetite, low or no fever, dry cough with few phlegm, dry tongue with less saliva, pulse fine or weak. For those with obvious weakness and shortness of breath, treat or match with CV17, Chenkyu CV8. For those with obvious dry mouth and thirst, K3 and TW4. For those with obvious palpitations, match with bladder 15, bladder 14. For those with excessive sweating, Li4, K7, Zhuzhanli. For those with insomnia, match with Shenmen. Insomnia means lack of sleep, GV29. Yin Tang. Actually, it doesn't have a number, but they have given this number. Yin Tang is here. Anmian extra and Yongquan K1. That is at the bottom of the feet. Deficiency of lung and spleen, stasis, phlegm blocking the meridians. Symptoms as chest tightness, shortness of breath, disinclination of speak. Patient doesn't feel like speaking. Fatigue, sweating when as moved. Cough with phlegm and phlegm blocked, scaly dry skin. Mental fatigue. See, this has happened with me. Poor appetite. Match with Fishu, Zinshu, Geishu, all Bakshu points. See bladder 23. Then LU1, Dangzong CV17 for those with phlegm blocked. Match with Fenlong ST40 and Dingchuan extra B1. See, this was my experience. Okay. Day 1, fever 99, rest of 200, 3 times a day. Day 2, fever 99.5. Day 3, 99, no fever in the evening. Day 4, loss of smell and hunger. From here, the trouble started. Pulsatilla 10 and 3 times a day. Day 5, corona detected positive. Day 6, chest HRCT normal. Day 7, severe nausea, means vomiting like feeling. Day 8, checked my tongue which showed slate color at the liver and kidney area. Day 9, treated with K3, liver 2, ST36, REN 12, ST21 for nausea. Day 10, nausea reduced and continued similar points daily, and then in 5 days I was clear of nausea and loss of feelings of hunger and anosmia. So now here you can see the tongue. See where I am showing there is a black color here. Okay, here you can see the slate color, and also in the middle here, this is the chest area. Just below the chest and stomach area, there is a white coating. That is why that nausea had come. And then you can see here, the color has become very less now. And this is also spreading now. So it is becoming less. So I was cured at this point, almost cured. Now, in short, I used only self-acupuncture and homeopathy from a MD homeopath. My symptoms were mild but very troublesome, like anosmia, lack of hunger. Worst was nausea. Friends, you can use acupuncture if you are confident about needling and you are a doctor. I have just showed you how I managed my treatment. Friends, but there is something called as cytokinetic storm, which happens on the 7th to 10th days or 11th day. Okay, that is a very dangerous thing. That is called cytokinic storm. Means what happens? Our own immunity becomes very big and attacks us. In that, what happens is our blood vessels, there may be a clot, and there is a lot of inflammation in your blood vessels, and the patient can die at this stage. Therefore, you should not do acupuncture from 7th day to 11th day, any immunity boosting point. Otherwise, if your immunity increases, your cytokinic storm will have positive effect, and you may die in that also. So if already the lungs are full, then cytokinic storm is very bad thing. So friends, thank you. Thank you for attending my talk. All the best to you in your life. So you can now ask me questions. What are questions you may be having? Still 4 minutes are there. So you can ask me. What has happened here? Participants. Now I'm allowing you to ask me questions. You can ask me questions now.
हॅलो सर.
बोला.
जर मॉडेलिंग जरा प्रॅक्टिस नसल्यामुळे थोडा रिस्क वाटत असेल तर आपण तिकडे प्रेशर करू शकतो का?
नाही, प्रेशरने काही होणार नाही, लक्षात ठेवा. आणि प्रॅक्टिस
मॉडेलिंगच करायचं.
प्रॅक्टिस करायला. तुम्ही लोक काय करायला?
Sir, any side effect on eye? Sir?
बोला.
Any side effect on eye you have?
Yes, my eyes have become hot in the evening every day. Otherwise, there is no side effect. I feel that now fever is coming again, but it doesn't come. Only the eyes have become hot in the evening only, after 5 o'clock. That will also go.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
आणि सर निडलिंग करताना मग आपण काय प्रिकॉशन्स घ्यायच्या, कारण ते ऑलरेडी कोरोना झालेले आहेत. मग आपण त्यांना
आपण मास्क लावायचा, आपण फेस शिल्ड लावायचा, मास्क लावायचा, पेशंटनी मास्क लावायचा, निडलिंग केल्याबरोबर आपण जाऊन बसायचं.
ओके ओके ठीक आहे. हातात ग्लोव्ज घालायचे का? पण आपण निडलिंग कसं करणार? कारण हाताने काय म्हणजे मला
नाही, हाताला तुम्ही लावून घ्या ना, हाताला लावून घ्या.
ओके
सॅनिटायझर.
अच्छा,
काय प्रॉब्लेम?
ओके
सर.
बोला.
सॉरी
Sir.
Sir, why this the hotness in the eye comes in the evening? Is there any specific reason for that?
You see, evening time is kidney time, bladder and kidney. So therefore, there must be something there, because my tongue shows that black thing there. So slightly the function must not be, but not the actual allopathic function. Everything is fine. I tested kidney, nothing is wrong. But energy-wise, there is definitely something wrong, and that is why liver
Okay,
opens to eyes, kidney also opens to eyes. So in the evening,
correct, sir.
time is there, so it becomes hot. But afterwards, it becomes normal.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
How were you
अगर
giving
5-7
your
दिन से
Bakshu point?
फीवर है,
हाँ, बोलो.
अगर 5-7 दिन से फीवर है लेकिन कोरोना का निगेटिव आया तो बार बार ये फीवर आने का क्या कारण हो सकता है?
देखो कोरोना का निगेटिव आया या निगेटिव और पॉजिटिव जो है ना, देर आर सो
हाँ.
प्रॉब्लम्स इन दिस. द टेस्ट मे बी फॉल्स निगेटिव और ये प्ले उनको दूसरा कुछ सिम्टम ही नहीं है ना. सिम्टम है दूसरा.
नहीं, मुंह में कड़वापन है और तो हल्की सी सर्दी खांसी है.
That means it
और
is
कुछ नहीं
positive
है.
actually. Again, if you do the test, it will become positive, definitely, because the test
Oh.
not definitely conclusive. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is the problem
Okay, sir.
with this new corona. हाँ, बोलो.
Sir, the liver and the eyes are connected. So when you're saying that you're getting heat in the evening, so could it be that the liver is heated, and in such a case, will a cold pack on the liver region not help?
See, it may help on the liver region, but what I am doing is I am putting green color here on the liver, Sujok liver. So
Right.
that will help. But it is not troubling me. It is just giving me little fear. है क्या बुखार आने वाला है क्या? But it doesn't come.
Correct, correct.
And of course, I also watch mobile and TV during the corona period also. That also may be wrong actually.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Thank you
Yes.
very much for asking a good question. Yes.
Thank
So,
False.
how did you manage to take Bakshu
Can we
point?
use colors on?
No, I did not take Bakshu points. I only took the 14 point. That's all.
On front body?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Actually now from tomorrow, Suvarna, somebody will give Bakshu points.
Okay, sir.
I am in the convalescent stage. That means healing state.
Hello, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.